Gun Collector 87 back again. So we've got our parts in here for the Charter Arms, and I'm going to have you zoomed up quite a bit, so I hope it works. So here we have our extractor. Now you have a bushing on the inside that's staring right at you, and this, you'll see the bushing, just the edge around there. There's your bushing. So in order to get that in, that's probably your hardest part. You can use your ejector as a tool here. You will place this in. You will actually place the spring over top here. Your bushing goes first, then your spring that's inside of here, and then you will compress the two to get these holes to line up. And then you're going to drop that little pin right here. You're going to drop that little pin in there just to hold it together. And that spring is about an inch long, maybe. With your ejector rod, you're going to do the same thing. Your washer is going to go on. Your big spring. And the object is, if you can see those two holes, that hole with my left hand here, that's got to line up with that little hole on your extractor to push the pin through your ejector rod. These parts will fly at 200 miles an hour across the room, so be careful of that. It's going to go in the back of your rod here. Your ejector rod's going to go back in your spring. Sorry, your ejector rod's going to go along with your spring through your cylinder. You'll notice there is, if you can see it, flat piece up top where the rod is hitting in the cylinder. So there is a flat squared off piece there. You got to make sure those are lined up, as well as your hole. Slip them on. This is the first time I'm attempting this, so we want to make sure our hole and our rod line up. You gotta have fingers of steel to hold all this. We're gonna see. Nope. So let's see where we're at. Let's try her again. I'll have to switch fingers here. So our rod moved a little naturally. A little tricky. Because you cannot see it. You gotta move it around till you find a sweet spot here. You can move this as you need. It moves fairly easy. You gotta find the spot. We found it. There we go. Works pretty good. Gotta give her a wiggle to get her in there. Alrighty guys, that's the cylinder here. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna come back and do another one to finish this thing out.